Hi, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today, I'd like to show you how you can switch between your personal command account and your team command account, and also how you can set one or the other to be your default account so that every time you log into command, that will be the account that you're already on and viewing so you don't have to switch back and forth all the time. So first, go ahead and log into your command. And up here in the top right where your name is, give that a click. Now you can see what account you are currently on listed here at the top. You can see that we're currently on Scott's personal account. This means his individual agent account. Other accounts listed that he can switch over to would be his team account where he is an individual associate. So to switch accounts, you would just select the other account listed under other accounts. So we'll select his team account and you'll see that the page updated. Now at the top right, you can tell that we're on the team account by seeing the team name and that account name listed right here underneath Scott's name. Another indicator as to which account you are on will be listed on each page. Like if we go to the contacts tab, you'll be able to see that this is the team contacts. And again, the team name in the top right-hand corner. To swap, to switch back, you can click again the name in the top right-hand corner and just choose that other account to go back over. So we'll choose his personal account and you see the page update. Now you see just Scott's name in the top right-hand corner and just Scott's name here for contacts, giving you another clue that this is his individual agent account or his personal account. To set the default, you can come up here to your name in the top right-hand corner and go to your settings. Up here at the top left, go under General Settings and choose Default Account. From here, just fill in the radio button for whichever account you want to be default. If every time you sign into command, you want it to automatically be on your personal account, then just make sure that that radio button is filled in right there. If you want to change it to the team, you can choose that radio button and make sure to click Save Changes in the bottom right-hand corner so that the next time you log into command, it will be saved and you will see that team profile first. If you have any questions at all about this or anything else to do with your command platform, you can always reach us by email, support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.